Welcome to the Vantrue LTE Module setup and usage tutorial. Before using Vantrue's LTE feature for remote monitoring, you'll need to activate the LTE Module LTE01 first. Only after activation can you proceed with the connection setup. Before activating the module, insert a SIM card with an active data plan. Please select either Vantrue SIM card or other SIM card. In the app based on your SIM card, select the correct SIM card type to activate the device.
Please follow the instructions in the Vantrue app to complete the activation.
Turn on Bluetooth and location services on your phone. Use a stable power supply to power the LTE module. Insert the power cable into the Type-C port on the LTE module. Connect the angled end of the cable from the LTE module to the dash cam mount. If you're using the E1 Pro model, connect the cable directly to the dash cam body instead. Once the wiring is correctly connected, the LTE module will power on and the indicator lights will turn on. A red light is the power indicator, and it lights up when the module is powered. Green lights indicate signal strength, and 3 green lights mean a strong signal. A blue light means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active. Please note that the adhesive side of the LTE module contains the antenna, so avoid placing any metal objects over it. After opening the app, using the S1 Pro Max as an example, tap the LTE01 and S1 Pro Max option. First, register an account or login. Follow the on-screen instructions to register using your phone number or email. Enter your username, phone number or email and password in order. Then tap to request a verification code, enter the code, and complete the registration or login. Once registered or logged in successfully, proceed to select your device. Choose LTE01 and S1 Pro Max and connect the device. Follow the app's connection guide to check the status of the dash cam and LTE module.
Once confirmed, continue to the next step.
Select your device. Choose the SIM card type you are using. Confirm activation. If activation fails with your current SIM card, try using a new SIM card. If it still doesn't activate successfully, please verify your SIM card's carrier and contact the carrier to get the correct APN information. Select Edit APN Settings, enter the APN details, and try activating again. If activation still fails, please contact Vantrue official customer support. Once the device is successfully activated, you will be taken to the device management screen where you can use and adjust device functions. Device management screen overview. The device management screen shows the current status of the LTE module and dash cam. Remote features work only when both the LTE module and dash cam are connected. Electronic fence. You can set a custom area here with a radius ranging from 1 to 300 kilometers. When your vehicle enters or exits the designated area, you'll receive a notification. In the message center, you can view alerts like collision detection and motion detection in parking mode, as well as electronic fence notifications. Tap the calendar icon in the top right corner to quickly check the dates of past events. Locate vehicle. The app displays the last GPS location uploaded by the dash cam, making it easy for you to find your vehicle.
Data usage.
Here, you can check the data consumed within the app and monitor your LTE data usage. If you're using a third-party SIM card, this section will display the amount of data used. If you're using a Vantrue SIM card, it will show your current plan and data balance. Vantrue SIM cards come with 300 megabytes of free data. Once the free data is used up, you'll need to purchase additional data to continue using the service. Tap Renewal to select a data plan to buy more data. Enter your payment card information. Complete the payment. Your data purchase will be successful. To view your purchase history, tap History. To explore different data plans, tap Plan. For example, with the 2 gigabytes per 30-day plan, if you use up the 2 gigabytes before the 30 days are over, the plan will be marked as finished. If you don't use up the 2 gigabytes within 30 days, it will still expire and show finished once the period ends. If you encounter any issues during the recharge process, feel free to contact us at support@vantrue.net. When entering settings, make sure to turn on the LTE module's Bluetooth first. Simply short press the Wi-Fi button on the left to activate it, then proceed to adjust LTE-related settings. In the album, You can view both cloud-stored files and local files on your phone. Please note that playing back video files will consume data. Introduction to LTE features. In the device management interface, tap the LTE icon to enter the LTE real-time preview screen. Tap the settings icon in the upper right corner to adjust dash cam settings.
Select Start Recording to remotely control video recording on the dash cam. Select LTE Screen Recording to record the preview screen within the app.
Select Switch Camera to toggle between different dash cam lenses. Tap Intercom to talk in real time with people inside the vehicle. Tap Audio to capture the sound of a current scene in real time. Tap the folder icon to browse videos and photos stored in different folders. You can view and playback videos directly in the app, and even edit and share highlights from the footage. Please note that browsing and operating within the LTE interface will consume mobile data. Avoid staying on this screen for extended periods. That concludes the overview of how to connect and use the Vantrue LTE module.